Hello again, a new day, a new fix, and the season, it's open. You know what I'm talking about? Christmas lights, alright. So, this is really, really interesting, things that used to work. It was absolutely okay. Last year, when I took them down, now they are not working anymore. I mean, these Christmas lights should rotate, It have a motor inside, which obviously gives this spinning something, stars, whatever. Okay, so let's open this up and let's try to understand what's wrong with this guy. I'm not sure, but I think I've been fixing one of these years ago. It's very possible plastic dome. You see this plastic dome in there with kind of lenses got loose, and it's not moving anymore or rotating anymore. But the point is that I can't hear any kind of motor noise from inside. That we'll see in a second. These are pretty rusty. Well, it's been out in the snow, rain, whatever. The gasket, it's okay. Do we have any? Oh, it's so easy? Do you think so? Let's try that. And we are ready to go. This is amazing. But as long as we are here, let me see, we have a screw. We have two screws here. Okay, let's take them out. And maybe I should use some oil to prevent any kind of problems for the future. Okay, there we go. That's the motor. Nothing special so far. Oh. Yeah, it was stuck. Probably the weather. Probably the water. But doesn't look like any water inside. It's pretty oily. Yes, it is. Yes, I believe it's a kind of gear case in there. Oh yeah, it's pretty oily. A bit doesn't hurt. Okay, I'm turning the motor. You can see the LED lightning, so it's transforming in a dynamo. That's funny. Okay, nothing else to do. We are good to go. Let's have the screws back in place. Which one is the right positioning, huh? So the big screws are keeping the motor and the case in position here. And this little one keeps everything inside the case. Not so hard. And by the way, nothing special. Of course, you may say I could do better by dismantling the motor, but everything is in plastic and it's somehow encapsulated. There we go. Well, is it running? Okay, guys, let me have this back in place. Okay, now let's have the power connection. Yeah, now everything gets commanded by a on-off right here, and let's do the magic. Oh yeah, there we go. Pretty nice, no? Well, is it running? Of course. Ho ho ho! Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget, have fun. Bye bye.